Oh shit.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Hey guys, Carter here from Video Gaming, and today I'm going to be playing something weird, and why not look weird if I'm playing something weird? So, let's get to it. Sorry. Okay, so we're going to be playing some Unturned. Never played this game before, so start first reaction. It looks like a pixely game. Okay, so it looks like a Minecraft sort of game with guns. So, oh, it's moddable. So there's workshop, survivors. Let's play it. Let's just play. Let's try single player. Let's start off with easy because I'm MLG. Okay, achievement unlocked. Welcome to PEI. Controls are WASD. Typical video game controls. Oh, it's like Minecraft. What? So original. Such a work fire. Do I have to punch trees? No. Where's my goddamn gun? I thought it was a shooter. Whoa, what's the Q do? Totally not a Minecraft ripoff. Let's see. Where's my goddamn gun? Oh, there's a NPC village. Sorry if I'm stuffy. I have cold. Okay, let's cross the road. Hope we don't die. Oh, there's a guy right here. Hi, guy. Oh, it's a zombie. Oh, shit. Oh. Hi. Zombie. Oh, it's a zombie survival. Rock up rope. Oh, there's a rake. There's a hammer. Where's a gun? Okay. How do I pick this sumbitch up? F. Oh, there we go. What's in here? I'm gonna take a little bath. Screw your laundry. Oh, what? Kitchen knife. Let's get that. Where's my knife? Oh, that's just hands. F. Oh, there we go. We have our kitchen knife. Pick up kitchen knife. Okay. Wow. Well, let's go and kill this guy. I want some pizza. There's a butcher knife. Butcher knife. Let's get this. How do I pick up my goddamn butcher knife? Is this the butcher knife? F. Where's my goddamn butcher knife? Oh shit. Fatso. God damn it, I thought a chocolate bar. Where's my... I thought there was guns in this game. What is that? Candy bar. Let's search a home. Okay, there's no bottle of water. Spray radio. Popcorn. Get your knife. Let's search this big ass mansion. No, I was in here. Screw this. There's a gun shop. Pizza. Clothes. Oh, there's a car. Sick tits, man. Bitch. Laundromat. Oh my god. This is so sick. Fuck. I want out. Catch me if you can, fat ass. Shit. I'm done with this. Where's my goddamn... Where's all my knives and stuff? Oh, shit. Where's that fat ass? Die. Oh. Just out of these. Flashlight. Who needs a flashlight when it's light out? There's nothing. Is there anything in that box? No. Oh, what's right here? That's a canoe. Cool. There's no water, so why is there a canoe? A shirt. Travel pack. Rake. Bread. Let's enter this hatchback. Let's try and find a goddamn gun shop because it's impossible to find. You like my driving skills, guys? A cafe? Oh, screw the rules. Shit. No! Jesus! You are mauled by a zombie. Let's try Let's play servers. Any map. Okay, that's just fun. Okay, let's find there's 7 out of, let's see, 4 out of 20, 420. Let's do it. Why the frick is it so dark out? Never know. Maybe I need a flashlight. You perverts, I didn't say flashlight, I said flashlight. I want to be light out. Oh, shit. Someone following me? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I'm cornered, guys. A weapon, guys. Anyone? God damn it. Jesus. Where is a knife? I can't use my fist for everything. Is there anything I could use in here? No, that's a lamp. If I get mauled by a zombie, I'm quitting this game. What is this? Botanist. Botox? Cash. What was that? Wheat seed. Pick up lettuce seed. Pick up. This is just like seed. A seed place. That's a garden place, I think. What's in here? Ammunition box. This is a gun store. Hell yes! Did anyone? Ammunition. Where the frick is a gun, guys? I want a gun. Okay, I thought I picked it up. F. No. Guess I need a gun. Well, where the frick can I get a gun, guys? Let's see. Oh, where the frick am I? F. Well, god damn it, where's a gun? Colt 10. Pick up Colt. Pressing F, god damn it. Oh, do I need to go? What the frick? This game is so confusing. Okay, I'm pressing F. Oh. Frick. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm so confused with this game. I don't like it. Well, I do like it, but yeah. Probably not gonna see any more of these. So, yeah. Peace.